What's going on, guys? In this video we're going to be looking at ticker ARKG ETF. I have spotted a very nice buying opportunity right here, and if it fails there are some below as well. And real quick, if you wanted to see my zones and get my charts and find my zone trend line tracker, I do have a Patreon with the link in the description for a small fee, only $5 a month Canadian, which is a couple cups of coffee a month. So that you can track my zones midweek with me, and it should help you out a lot. So with that being said, we will hop right into it here. So what I noticed is that on the weekly time frame, which is my intermediate time frame, if I'm entering on the daily, I noticed that we have a very nice uptrend on here. So I'm still continuing to look for buying opportunities here. And I noticed this demand zone right here on ARKG. The risk is about, you could put your stop loss here, but in my opinion, I want to have it a little bit wider. So the risk is basically like 5% risk, and the upside is, we won't really know what the upside is, but the trend line is intact here. So we could see something like this, something like that happen. That's kind of what I'm expecting to happen. So I think it's pretty decent risk for a buying opportunity, and if it does fail, I'll take my small loss, and we could see a move from that area down there. But I probably would look for like a 4-hour confirmation inside of that daily area of demand. As far as the monthly time frame goes, on the top left, if all does fail, we do have another zone right here for a nice buying opportunity as well. But I used to be cautious about trading these overextended markets, but in my opinion, on the daily time frame, I could definitely see something like this happen here on the daily time frame. It's definitely possible, and if it does happen and the zone works, probably start to look to take profits up there. If price does come down into here and gets up to a rate about halfway to there, I'll probably start to bump my stop loss to break even, to lock it in so I won't lose. Ultimately, I would like to bump it up a little bit sooner based on how overextended these markets really are. But yeah, that's kind of what I'm seeing on ARKG. I've seen these demand zones work so well before. Like here's one right here. Beautiful zone right here. I wasn't actually tracking ARKG before. Similar picture. Made all-time highs, demand zone was formed, boom, beautiful reaction, and that's, if you would have held for that long, that's a 80% return, something like that, right? So high potential here on ARKG, and just wanted to share it with you guys. And if you like this video, let me know what you think in the comments down below, what your plan is for ARKG, and I'll get back to you. Cheers.